This is a lovely full body Pilates yoga with elastic band to strengthen your posture, your core, and your balance. Great for beginners or those who are 50 years old and older. Hi, my name is Annie and welcome back to my channel, Annie Pilates Physical Therapist. If you're new to my channel is about Pilates, yoga, physical therapy, health, and wellness, and have a previous video that you can check out over here, a standing Pilates and yoga with dumbbells to strengthen your body if you have osteoporosis, back pain, and those who want to strengthen their body in standing position even under 15 minutes. So get your mat ready and an elastic band to join me and my lovely puppy, Abby. Okay, my friends, let's start with your feet apart, toes diagonally placed. Lift your hands up with the elastic band shoulder level. You're going to feel the tension in your upper back by pulling your shoulder really tight. As you inhale, you're going to tip your toes. And then as you tip your toes, you're going to open your arms apart and breathe out. As you go down, your heels down and the elastic band back to the starting position, releasing the tension. Again, as you tip your toes, separate your arms apart, engaging your upper back. Exhale, back center. 4 more, warming up your toes all the way to your shoulder. Full body workout. 3 more. As you breathe in, tip your toes, exhale down. Last one. And down. Well done. Now we're gonna do some lovely lunges. So we're gonna face to the right first. As you need some balance support, you can use a table or chair or anything that you can hold on a wall. And then you're gonna slowly lower the back knee down as you lunge. Keep that pressure on your right. As you go down as much as you can, you're gonna do a lovely lift of your arm overhead. And then feel the tension, placing it behind your shoulder blade. So I'm really pulling it down and then up. As I go up to full extend, I'm lifting my arms again overhead. So I'm targeting my upper back all the way down to my legs, my quads. So lowering down as much as you can. Inhale, exhale up. Breathe in, breathe out. 7 more, down and up. 6, 5, lower down the elastic band behind your shoulders. Feel that beautiful opening on your chest. 2 more, last one. And then switch to the other side. I'm facing my left side now. I'm gonna lower the back knee and then lunge and then targeted my left quads. So I go down, I'm lowering my arms shoulder level behind me and then up, full standing. Again, down as much as you can and up. 8 more, breathe in, breathe out. 7, 6, 5, 4, almost done. Feel the burn. 3, 2, last one, my friends, and 1. Whew. Now let's face to the right. We'll do another set. This time, I want that core engage. So, as you lower the back knee, you're gonna lift the elastic bands shoulder level, and then we're gonna twist to the left for a lovely trunk rotation for your core. So now down, this time all the way down to the mat. So if you have knee pain, you can put some pillows to support your knee. Try not to plop. Try to control descent down, descending down slowly. Again, down, and then twist. Center, and then full standing. It's a lot on the quads, my friends. Down, twist, center, and up. Breathe in as you go down. Exhale as you twist. Inhale, back center, and then full standing. Exhale. So it's like having 4 breaths. 6 more. Inhale, exhale as you full standing. 5. Breath work. So important. 2 more. Feel the burn. Last one. twist, center, and up. Now switch to the other side. I'm lowering my right knee down, gently, descending slowly, control, and down. And twist, center, and up. Keep that tension on the band to engage your upper back. 8 more. 7. 5. 4. Trunk rotation. 3. 2 more. Your heart rate is pump up now, my friends. Last one. And up. Whew. Well done. Now we're gonna do some sumo squat. Sumo squat targets your hamstrings on the inner part of your thigh, toes pointing away, diagonal. So you're gonna separate your feet as much as you can. And we don't have dumbbells and kettlebell. We're gonna use elastic band just for a reminder for postural awareness. So the band should be tight. So wrap it around your fingers, place it between your inner thighs area. We're gonna glide it down as you lower yourself, keeping your back straight by pulling it gently. So see, the band is a beautiful awareness. Chin tuck to protect your neck, and just we're gonna slowly lower it down as much as you can for a squat. Inhale, and then fully straighten your knees as you fully extend. Now we're gonna add some spice. As you go down, you're gonna lift your arms overhead to engage your upper back. So again, my friends, down, and then lift as much as you can. You could be a little bit diagonal, so your shoulders are level to your ears. And then as you go up, you're slowly lowering your hands down back to starting position between your inner thighs. Again, lower your hips down. You're pulling down through your buttocks. And then lift your arms up overhead as much as you can to stretch your upper back. And feel that tension and pulling it apart to keep it engaged. And full standing. Extend and lock your knees and down. Bend, lift your arms up, sumo squat, and up. 7 more, my friends. Tight hips. 5 more. Breathe out. Inhale as you go stand up. Exhale as you go down. 4 more. 3, keep your center of gravity center. Engage both of your hips. 2, last one, and 1. Whew. You're gonna feel that lovely stretch on your hips. Now we're gonna do some deadlifts. So deadlift is something lifting from the ground, but this one we're gonna do reverse. We don't have something to lift heavy, but we have the elastic band to keep your body engaged. So tighten the bands. I'm gonna do diagonal position so you can see in side position. Feet apart, level to your hips. The band will be there to keep your upper back engaged. There's a lot of people doing deadlift with forward thoracic posture, and that's bad. So keep that engaged by pulling that band until you can feel the band tight and your hands are on your side. Sides, but not too much outside of your hips, but just in front of your knees. Because we're gonna glide your fisted hands on top of your thighs all the way down to your knees and then your front of your legs. So with this position, you wanna engage, chin tuck, and somewhat soften your knees so you're targeting your buttocks more. And then something's like pulling through your heels and your buttocks by gliding through, chin tuck, all the way down to the floor as much as you can, because you wanna keep your back straight and your chin tuck. You don't wanna hunch down. Keep those muscles engaged by pulling the band apart a little bit, and then glide through and slowly stand up to full standing. So we're gonna add some spice now. So as you go down to hinge, once you reach down, you're gonna lift your hands up towards your ear to stretch your upper back. And then go back on the front of your thighs and then roll up. Again, soften your knee, hinge down, roll down all the way down. And then once you reach all the way down, lift your hands up, trying to reach overhead towards your ear. So I'm tapping my arms towards my ear, swinging it up, and then swinging it back down to full standing. Again, soften your knee, Glide down through your thighs, your knees, your legs, chin tuck. And once you reach down, you feel that stretch. Lift your arms, swing it away, and then swing it back to you, and then roll up. 6 more, my friends. Soften your knee, roll down, keep your back straight, not from your back, but through your hips. Swing forward, up, away, swing close to you, keeping that tension on the band. We have 5 more. Roll down, keep your back straight, hinge through your hips, not your spine. Roll up, 4 more. Roll up. Hi, Abby. She's running around, enjoying the backyard. Slowly, baby. I'm sorry. Roll up. 2 more. She's a puppy, so she's running around. Rescued her last year at Austin Humane Society. Last one, my friends. Inhale. Exhale, and then roll up. Whew. Even though it looks so simple, it's actually full body workout on that simple hinging through your hips, and it will keep your mobility and your strength strong and well. Okay, we are cooling down now, my friends, for some lovely yoga. Toes pointing away. We're gonna stretch down and then lift your arms up and then overhead for some lovely warrior pose. And then switch to the other side, arms out straight. Look to your right, slowly bend your knees, reach down to your ankle if you can, and look up as you lift your left arm, and then lift overhead and stretch. Feel that beautiful stretch on your back and your shoulder blades. Again, to the left, toes pointing away, your hands as well, look at your left, bend your left knee, glide down your left hand for a beautiful stretch, and then right arm overhead to stretch your right side. And feel that beautiful stretch on your hips, back center, and down. Oh, that was a nice, a little bit cool down before we proceed for more standing balance. This is last one. So you're gonna step to the right. You're gonna lift your right arm diagonal as you lean to the right, and then shift your body weight, placing your left foot close to your right foot, and then lift, toes pointing away, and balance on your right leg as you lift your left foot up, and then back down center. Again, now to the left, I'm gonna bend my left knee, shift my body weight to the left. As I lift my left hand up, then place my right toes together near tippy toes towards my left foot. As I lift my right foot up, balance, and then down. We have 9 more. Shift to the right, lift my right hand up, shift my body weight to the right, and then lift my left foot up, balance, and then down. Now to the left, lean to the left, lunge to the left, bend your left knee as I lift my left hand up, then put my right foot close to my left, balance, and lift, toes pointing away as I lift my right foot. So you can really feel that tension on my right gluteus medius. Right foot up, lunge to the right, lift my right hand up, diagonal, pulling my left hand towards my left hip, balance to the right, and then lift. And then shift to the left. Now we're doing a little bit faster now. And then to the right again. And kick with your left foot out. Lunge to the left as I lift my left hand up. Kick with your right. Whew. Almost done, my friends. Full body workout. Diagonal now. I know it's like dancing. As I lean to the right, lifting my right hand up. Kick. Left. Kick. 3 more. Lunge to the left, lift my left hand up, kick with my right foot. Lunge to the right, kick with my left. Last set, my friends. Feel the burn. And kick. Whew. Well done. Now we're really definitely cooling down now. Feet apart, toes pointing diagonal. We're gonna do some lifting your hands up overhead. Interlock your fingers, pointing with your index as you breathe in. Forward fold down to the mat. Grab the mat with your fingers, palms down. As I slowly twist and lift my right hand up, pointing to the heavens. Trunk rotation, feel the stretch. And then twist to the other side. That was a beautiful full body routine you can do every day if you want. But 3 times a week is sufficient enough to build muscle strength. Even 15 to 20 minutes a day. Last twist. And last twist to the other side. And then slowly roll up. Feet together, you get your balance, neck rotation to release tension of your neck. And then reverse circles. Place your hands on your hips so you can do rotation on your hips. Circles. Feels so good on your hips. And then reverse circles. And that's it. I'm hoping you enjoyed my lovely standing Pilates routine with me and my puppy Abby, who's running around everywhere. If you love this video and want to learn more about Pilates, yoga, physical therapy, health and wellness, please subscribe to my channel, ring the bell so you won't miss anything. Like and share this video. Every like you give to my channel, you are supporting me. And if you need my help and guidance, I closed my back masterclass recently, so I won't reopen until fall 2023. And if you're interested, you can be part of my early bird waitlist for first come, first serve basis. And if you want to do more follow-along video just like this one, leave a comment down below, and I'll try to make new videos for those 50 years old women and older, or anyone who are absolute beginners. If you have more time today, watch this video about the full body workout as well with dumbbells, or you can do this tomorrow. And if you have back pain and learn why you have one side back pain, learn more why you have this about quadratus lumborum. Until my next video training, always remember, be safe, be well, and healthy you. Bye!